You tell yourself you'll start in 5 minutes. Then 5 minutes becomes an hour. Then the hour becomes tomorrow. You call it laziness. But the real answer is far stranger. Procrastination has almost nothing to do with time management. It has almost everything to do with emotion. Your brain isn't avoiding the task, it's avoiding a feeling. Psychologist Piers spent years studying delay behavior and found something surprising. People don't procrastinate because they're undisciplined. They procrastinate because a task triggers discomfort, and the brain's first instinct is to escape discomfort, not endure it. So when you open that document and feel a flicker of anxiety, dread, or boredom, your brain makes a trade. It swaps a few seconds of mild guilt later for relief right now. Scrolling your phone, cleaning a drawer that didn't need cleaning. Suddenly, reorganizing your closet feels urgent. This is what researcher Fuchsia Sirois calls mood repair. You're not choosing distraction over productivity. You are choosing comfort over pain, even when you know it will cost you later. Here's the part that surprises most people. The more important a task feels, the more procrastination shows up. Why? Because importance raises the emotional stakes. A high-stakes task threatens your sense of competence. If you never start, you can't fail. If you never finish, no one can judge the result. Delay becomes a strange kind of protection. Your brain isn't broken, it's bargaining. There's also a battle happening between two systems. One wants long-term reward, the other wants short-term relief. Neuroscientists often describe this as a tug of war between your prefrontal cortex, which plans ahead, and your limbic system, which wants to feel better immediately. When stress rises, the limbic system tends to win, and this is why willpower alone rarely fixes procrastination. You're not fighting laziness. You're fighting a part of your brain wired for survival, not deadlines. So, what actually helps? Lowering the emotional stakes works better than raising the pressure. Breaking a task into something so small, it barely registers as threatening. Starting before you feel ready, because motivation tends to follow action, not the other way around. Notice the next time you delay something. Pause before you reach for the distraction. Ask yourself what feeling you're really avoiding, because the task was never the problem. The feeling underneath it always was